Experiment 3. Aim of the experiment: to measure the length, breadth and thickness of a glass block using a meter rule and calculate its volume meter cube and meter cube, then to mass of the block in gram and kg using a physical balance, and to calculate the density of glass in CGS and SI units using mass and volume in respective units. Obtain the relation between the CGS and SI units of density. Theory. The volume, V, of an object represents the space it occupies in 3 dimensions. For a cuboid, such as the glass block in question, its volume is calculated using the formula: volume of cuboid, glass block, is equal to length times breadth times height, thickness. The SI unit of volume is the cubic meter. The mass, m, of an object signifies the amount of matter contained within it and remains a constant value. In laboratory settings, mass is measured using a physical balance, and its SI unit is the kilogram, kg. Density, ρ, is defined as the mass per unit volume of an object. It can be calculated using the formula: density, ρ, is equal to m upon v. Its SI unit is kg m3. Materials required. The necessary materials for this experiment include the glass block under consideration, a meter scale, a physical balance, and a physical weight box equipped with fractional weights. To calculate the volume of the given glass block. Procedure. 1. Begin by determining the least count of the meter scale, which is typically 1 mm. 2. Proceed to measure the length of the glass block using the meter scale, ensuring accuracy up to 1 mm. 3. Repeat the aforementioned step 2 more times to acquire a total of 3 readings for the length of the block. 4. Similarly, measure the breadth and thickness of the glass block using the meter scale. Again, repeat this process twice more to gather 3 readings for both the breadth and thickness of the glass block. 5. Carefully document your observations in the provided observation tables. 6. Finally, employ the following formula to calculate the volume, V, of the glass block in cubic centimeters and cubic meters. Volume, V, is equal to length, L, times breadth, B, times thickness, T. Observations and calculation. Least count of meter scale is equal to cm. Observation table 3.1, measuring length, L, of glass block. Observation table 3.2, measuring breadth, B, of glass block. Observation table 3.3, measuring thickness, T, of glass block. Volume of glass block, V, is equal to L times B times T. In CGS units, V is equal to centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is equal to centimeter cube. In SI units, V is equal to meter times dot meter is equal to meter cube. Measure the mass of the provided glass block using a physical balance. Procedure. 1. Begin by ensuring that the balance is level and verify the position of the pointer, which should be at 0 when the pans are empty. If needed, adjust the balancing screws to align the pointer's rest position with 0. 2. Carefully raise the balance beam using the lower central lever. Make sure that the pointer swings equally on both sides of the 0 marks on the scale. If the pointer's swing is unequal, use the screw nuts to make necessary adjustments. 3. Lower the balance beam and position the glass block on the left pan. 4. On the right pan, place known standard weights. 5. Adjust the standard weights until the pointer is either at the 0 point of the scale or swings equally on both sides of the 0 mark. 6. Record the total mass of the weights placed in the right pan. 7. Conduct the measurement of the glass block's mass at least 2 more times. Note, alternatively, a spring balance calibrated in grams can be employed to measure the mass of the glass block. The block is suspended using a thread from the spring balancer's hook, and its mass reading is indicated by the pointer moving along the attached scale. Observations. Calculation. Mass of the given glass block, M, is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 3 gram is equal to gram. Mass of glass block M is equal to density of glass block is equal to mass upon volume in CGS unit. Density is equal to gram upon centimeter cube is equal to gram centimeter cube. In SI unit, density is equal to kg upon meter cube is equal to kg meter cube. Thus, gram centimeter cube is equal to kg meter cube or 1 gcm3 is equal to kg meter cube. Result. Density of glass block in CGS unit is equal to gram centimeter cube. Density of glass in SI unit is equal to kg meter cube. Hence, 1 g centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kilograms meter cube. Precautions. 1. When determining the dimensions of the glass block, correct for any inaccuracies caused by wear at the 0 point or the thickness of the scale. To ensure that you read the scale markings without any parallax errors. 3. Handle the lever with care and subtlety. 4. Before adjusting weights on the pan, always lower the beam.